What's going on? It's your boy Chance back again with another video, also known as Fat Chance for that, by the way. Today, I got this at Target. 2 autographs and 1 canvas insert card in every box. 2022 Sage Artistry football, obviously. And then look for a randomly inserted next level debut cards. Same thing, blah, blah, blah. See, I didn't really get this if it was like drafts or if it was drafts or if it was NFL or if it was, I'm pretty sure it's draft or college, I want to say. Because, yeah, draft or college. Oh, alright, let's get started. Open her up. I bought this at Target for $20 today. Should upload this in a couple days. As you can see, my favorite player is Tyreek Hill. I love Tyreek Hill. Well, now he's on the Dolphins, so gotta get some Dolphins cards with him. Okay. Nope. It's happening. Is it like this? Okay, this is how it is. And whoa, okay. Whoa. What is this? 2 autographs and 1. Okay. What is in here? Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Whatever this is first. It might be the juicy thing first, actually. Oh! Who we have? Hold up. Nice. Okay, we have RW, Rashad White. This is the canvas card. Oh, actually, well, that feels cool. Okay, and then we have Segun Olubu. Don't correct me. That's cool. Nice little, and then they have like the little black and white borders on the side. Pretty nice. We will put that there, and these here. Nice. So now we have 50 cards to open. All here. They are clear. Oh, these are cool. Looks like we have some steel. I think these are... Hold up. Let me see. Okay, so these are draft cards. Okay, I just figured that out. Because it says on the back, I'm not going to show you that first. But if we see the back, it says he's a running back and where he's from and his weight and his everything. And it says 5th round pick of Atlantic Falcons. And then, yeah. So there we go. So now, I've got to open up a bunch of cards. Let's go. Boom. First card. Troy Anderson, I want to say. Brandon Smith. John, that's cool. Okay. John Mitchie. Okay, these are gonna be hard. Bryce Hall. Anthony only now. I'm sorry, my dogs are getting in the way. They're making noise. Kenny Pickett, no way. That's cool. Now he's the Steelers. I want to see if it says Steelers on it. Yep. Okay. Yep, College University of Pittsburgh. Yep. Okay, we have Jalen Tolbert, Kyrene Williams, Derek Stingley Jr. Okay, these are kind of hard names. David Ojabo. These are really cool, like these little art ones. All right, let me separate these real quick. Actually, these nice little art ones. I don't know if it's like specific to this pack, or if it's, because I think those ones are drawn, and then these ones aren't. So, Desmond Ryder. These are, I'm struggling here, man. And then there's like these gold ones compared to like the black border. So I'm gonna put those also in a different file. These are new to me. And then they have like this one goes there. Okay, I think I got like one artistry plus the gray border. Okay, so we have Drake London, Jaron Ellie, Zamar White, and then Tyler Alliger. Ooh, okay. Football people. Swear, dude. Okay. So these also again, these are 2022. Looks like draft or college picks. So, it looks like, yeah, these look like college cards. College, like, slash draft, I want to say. Because now all these players are drafted. We have Leo Chenal. We have this guy, Derek Stingley Jr. Okay, hold up, let me put these in the right spot. We have Alec Pierce. Wait, what is this guy? I feel like I know him. What's he do? Wide receiver. Yeah, I think I know him. Yeah. Okay, hold up. These are an artistry card. Oh my God, Kala Sharker. I don't know. Calvin Austin. This is an artistry. Chase Gabers. Oh, who's this? Tyler. He is a Steeler, right? Steeler, right? Is he a Steeler? Is it? I don't think I'm paying attention because this guy's Vikings, correct? If I'm correct. No, he's a Raider. So this guy is a Packer. Okay. I thought this was like NFL for a second. Sorry. Okay, we have Kalal Sharker. I don't know. Calvin Austin III. We have Chase Garbers. This is regular. We have Tyler Goodson. Okay, these all are artistry. They are. Okay. Okay, we have Leo Chenal, Jermaine Johnson. A little bit. Okay, Tyler Van Dyke, Brian Robinson Jr., Connor Hayward, Trey McBride, Treylon Burks. Okay, those are all just regular cards then. Nothing else left in the box. That's pretty much it. I definitely suggest getting this if you see it. Definitely a good deal for $20. Okay, we have Nefi Sewell, Brian Cook. Put those guys in the back. You see that? Nefi Sewell. Yep, I said him. Okay. Let me get this little thing real quick. Mix the pile. Brian Cook. I feel like I know him from somewhere. Cincinnati. Brian Cook. Kansas City. Okay, yeah, that's how I know him. Kansas City Chiefs. Okay. Jalen Tolbert. Okay, here's the artistry. Drake London. Oh my God. Okay. Zach Arwey White. Brian Cook again. Yeah, that's a Brian Cook. You can see he played for the Chiefs. He's playing for the Chiefs. I don't know about currently. I think he is though. I've heard him. Wait, what does he play? Hold up, Brian Cook. What do you play? You play as a safety. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Aiden Hutchinson. Okay. We have Garrett Wilson, Chris Olav, Ronnie Bell, Jerome Ford, Zamar White. Zamar White plays for Las Vegas, yeah. Okay, Chris Olav, and then David Bell. Oh, that's a cool card. Who does he... Wait. College, I think, is he Rams? Oh, drafted by Cleveland. Okay, I didn't see that. Cleveland Browns. That guy is a Cleveland Browns guy. And open this up. Yeah, this is kind of hard. Okay. Let me open this up real quick. Okay. Thayer Munford. Well, that's cool. I don't know why I like that. Alex, actually. I like these cards. Okay, Daxon Hill. Tyler. See, you can see the difference here. So now we have Tyler Alliger, Tristan Ebener, Drake London. Okay, so we have those artistry cards. Okay, now we have Brees Hall, Tyler Batty, Neffy Swell. We have Derek, okay, this guy again, Derek Slingity, I don't know, Slingity Digley Jr., I don't know, not making fun of Houston Texans, okay, so he's a Houston Texans guy, okay, that's pretty cool. I guess I gotta put these guys here. So now we have Alec Pierce, Ja'Cory Robinson, the Zaquani White guy, Tyler Goodson, okay, I already got that guy, so I thought he was, yeah. So Green Bay Packers guy. And then Kyrene Williams, which plays for the Rams. Pretty cool. Just checking. One more pack left. This is what they look like. I feel like I have more than 50 cards here. I definitely feel like I do. I do not know why. I'm probably right. Right now, I am looking for Steelers players. Patriots guy. Okay, yeah, last one. I don't know if I have any Steelers. I'm going to check on these. Chad Muma, which plays for Jacksonville. And then Aiden Hutchinson, which plays for Detroit. We have Brian Robinson Jr., which plays for New Orleans Saints. I know the names of them, I'm just not saying them. Pierce Strong Jr., which plays for New England Patriots. We have Tyler Batty. Oh, that's a cool name. Thanks, I said it. Which plays for the Baltimore Ravens. We have George Pickens, yeah, George Pickens, I hesitated there, which plays for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Look at that guy. Good for him. Best team, plays for the best team. Okay, so, obviously, I'm a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, but I definitely love the Chiefs. Obviously, Tyreek Hill, I have so many Chiefs. Okay, okay. I don't know his first name, and nor do I know his last name. Yeah, he plays for the Cardinals. That guy, yeah. He put Daxon Hill, which plays for Cincinnati. We have Drake London again. I think it's again, right? Atlanta, pretty sure. Okay, we have Cole Turner, which plays for Washington. Wait, Washington Commanders. Yeah, Commanders now. Now it's Commanders. So we have Isaiah Spiller, which plays for the Chargers. We have Pierce Strong Jr., which plays for the Patriots. I don't know. This guy again, but I think these are like the artistry cards or something. No? He plays for the Cardinals. Okay, Tyler Batty is the final card here. And he plays for the Ravens. yeah, so that's it. I will show you guys what I have now. So we got, fix this. So we have all of these cards. All these, I don't know if I did them right, but these are like artistry cards. I think these go in here. We have all of these nice cool ones, and then the ones on top I think are different from these, like how the border is, and these look different. Yeah, so I got all my setup, my Ghostbusters hat. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.